when your wife's love language is doing stuff continually 24 hours a day, this is how you start.
Service.
This is how, oh, she calls it acts of service.
Family plans, acts of service.
Wow, she read that page. So this is what we're going to do today, is straighten this basement up. So far, so good. We're working so well together today. We're starting the new year off right. Look at that. We're well started. Golly, we've started this year off right. Look at that. Nice and clean, didn't take nothing. We still loved each other. Everything went really, really well. Little doggy did. He's a good doggy. All right. Enough for working today.